Hi friends, welcome back to Top Tip. Today we are going to discuss the PC requirements to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, and I will show you how to check and confirm your PC is able to do an upgrade from Windows 2010 to Windows 2011. These are the main PC requirements to install Windows 11. So let's check one by one. First one is you must have 1 gigahertz of dual core processor. For checking this one, just go to task manager by right clicking on the taskbar. Go to task manager, move to performance tab. Here is the one. Then click on CPU. Here you can see you have 1.19 gigahertz of processor and the core is 4. We need a dual core processor. Dual core means it should have two. If you have two or more than two here, it will be okay. The next one is 4 GB RAM. This also we can check in task manager by right clicking here. Go to task manager, go to performance tab, just click memory. Here you can see the installed memory. We have 8 GB, so this also fulfilling the criteria. Close this one. The next one is the minimum storage space should be 64 GB. This also we can check in task manager. Right click here, go to task manager, go to performance, go to disk. There is two disk labeled here. One is disk D drive and disk C drive. We should check the space of C drive because we are going to install the update on C. Once you press C, you can see the capacity here 239 GB. It's also okay for upgrading. Just close and check the next one. You must have UEFI firmware on your motherboard to install the updates. So let's check that one. Just go to start and just write system informations. Go to start, write system information, click on system information. There you can see system summary. On BIOS mode you can see UEFI. So this also okay for us. Close this one. The next one is TPM, trusted platform module. This you can check in two ways. The first way is go to start and type this one, tpm.msc. Just click that one. You can see here the status, the TPM is ready for use and the version is 2. The version also specified here. This is the first way. The second way you can check through the device manager. Just right click on the start, go to device manager. Under security device you can see trusted platform module 2. The next one is graphic card compatible with the DirectX 12. This one also we can check by clicking start, right run, click run, DXDIAG, press OK. Here you can see the system tab, last one DirectX version 12. So this one is also okay for us. The next one is the screen size is bigger than 9-inch and 720 resolution. This one, if your Windows is currently in Windows 10, it should be okay. Almost all the PCs this criteria is fulfilling. The last one is you should have a Microsoft account and an internet connection. For checking and confirming the Microsoft account, just go to one of your browser. I'm going here to Google Chrome and write account.microsoft.com. By signing in here, you can check your account and confirm it's working. If you don't have any account, just create an account by using this link. So these are the main requirements to upgrade or install Windows 11 on your current PC. I hope all of you will check this one and go ahead to upgrade the Windows 10 to Windows 11. In our next video, we will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. So please stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.